Hello viewers, I just got the Asus Zenbook UX534FT and I thought it would be fun to just do an unboxing video. So I bought this in the store, so this has already been unboxed just to make sure that the device I got works. And just for the sake of this video, we'll do it again. So let's just take a look at the box first. The front, you have this Zenbook logo, and on the left you have the model name and some serial numbers, and on the other side just the logo. On the back you have quick specifications and the importer information and stuff like that. Okay, let's do this. Neat packaging, I must say. I haven't even opened the that back panel. I'm guessing there's a bag inside there. Okay, let's open that and see what is in there. I have no idea how this opens, to be honest. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is a neat little pouch. Just quickly wraps. It looks neat. Okay, let's keep this aside. So here we have the laptop itself. Feels pretty compact in hands. Let's keep this aside and check the rest of the packaging. So here we have some documentation. The first one, I'm guessing, is a quick start guide, and this is the screen pad manual on how to use the screen pad. And this, I'm guessing, is a manual. So I got the 15-inch one. It just says what are the ports you are getting. SD card reader, USB 3.1, HDMI port, and a headphone jack. You don't have a Thunderbolt. Okay, so on this side you have the power brick. And on this side you have this cable. Nothing here. Okay, let's boot up the laptop. It is a fingerprint magnet, obviously. Okay. That was quick. Okay, let's spin this off. So now I have to figure out how to turn this screen pad on. I have no clue. Oh, okay. Well, I have no clue what's going on. I'm still learning. Anyways, that was a quick unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think of the Asus Zenbook UX534FT. Well, I'm not liking this glossy display. You guys let me know what you like and what you don't like.